Ah,
Hindi ko daw nabuksan yung isa. Hindi siya nabuksan.
oh. Mag-hi ka dito. Oh. Hi kayo dyan. Ayan, no? Hi kayo dyan.
Hi guys, so I'm currently here in school and I'm wearing our type A uniform. First class 8 to 11 o'clock to the animation, and then 1 to 4 p.m. is film production. So later for film production, we will change to all black clothes because our professor has a rule that every film prod team has to wear black every session.
What do you mean squash? Squash and stretch. So the volume stays the same. What do you mean the volume? Hindi mo pwede siyang squash siya tapos biglang umaba masyado, okay? The volume, the total volume, the total.
Choices and intentionality is a box word. Okay naman kayo sa likod? Alright, I'm worried. I think you're getting a mic eventually, but yeah. What is all of this? Basically, to summarize all of the videos that we saw and our discussion also yesterday, the whole point of this and the mastery of the subject of film is summarized in one word: intentionality. How intentional are you with the
Hey guys, I just arrived home and I'm super tired, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And that's all for today. So thank you and goodbye.